Lady Zion, sweet home. We cook enjoyable, delicious meals with an experience that sets the standard. Yummy cooking and lifestyle. Lady Zion, sweet home. Build a healthy community, one individual at a time.
We are the best, we're reliable, unbeatable. We are the best, we are tasted and trusted. We are the best, we are reliable, unbeatable. We are the best, we are tasted, unstoppable. Lady Zion, sweet my beautiful home. Cooking a lifestyle, oh. Building a healthy community, that is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am sweet my beautiful home. Lady Zion, sweet my beautiful home. Cooking a lifestyle, oh. Building a healthy community, that is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am sweet my beautiful home. Cooking a lifestyle, oh. Building a healthy community, that is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am sweet my beautiful home. Lady Zion, sweet my beautiful home. Cooking a lifestyle, oh. Building a healthy community, that is all we do.